Difference between wait and await with examples. The words wait and await both relate to the passage of time and the anticipation of an event, but they're used differently in terms of grammar and context. Here's a breakdown of their differences with examples. Wait, part of speech. Verb can also be a noun. Usage. Wait is a more general term that means to stay in place or delay action until a particular time or event. It can be used intransitively without a direct object or transitively with a direct object. Examples. Intransitive. I will wait here until you return. Transitive. She waited her turn patiently. As a noun, the long wait for the concert tickets was exhausting. Await, part of speech, verb. Usage. Await is more formal and is always transitive, meaning it requires a direct object. It implies waiting for something specific to happen or for someone to arrive. Examples. He awaits the committee's decision. The results of the test are awaited by all the students. Key differences. Transitivity. Wait can be used with or without an object, while await must have an object. Formality. Await is more formal than wait. Connotation. Await often carries a sense of expectation or anticipation for something that is certain to happen, whereas wait can be more general and less specific. Common mistakes. Incorrect. I'm awaiting for the bus. Await does not take a preposition. Correct. I'm waiting for the bus, or I await the bus. Example sentences. Wait. Please wait a moment while I check the schedule. Await. The world eagerly awaits the outcome of the peace talks. In summary, use wait when you want to express staying in place or delaying action, and use await when you want to express waiting for a specific event or outcome, especially in a more formal context. Remember that await requires a direct object and does not use prepositions like for,